everyone! I'm so excited to be doing this video for you for the Computer Science Week of Code at Fine Elementary School. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the new version of Scratch. It's Scratch 3.0. It's still the beta version, so it's not completely finished yet. They're still working on it. It won't be ready until about January. But it's so cool that I really want to show it to you because you've been learning a lot of awesome skills in Mr. Omli's coding class, and you can use those skills to make your own programs in Scratch. It's also free, so after you talk to your parents and make sure it's okay, you can start making your own programs in Scratch. Now, to find Scratch 3.0, you can do a Google search, put Scratch 3.0 in, hit enter, and usually it shows up as the first one, Scratch 3.0 GUI, that's Graphical User Interface. So you just click on that, and you'll get a pop-up, and you want to try it. Bam! Okay, so this screen should look familiar to you because you're using code.org and it's very similar. So on this left side we have all of our blocks. They're very similar to the ones in code.org. We have so many choices. There's so many that you can play with. On this side, we actually can see the sprites and what they're doing, so you can see what happens in your program. And in the middle, we have the workspace. Now, I did tell you this is the beta version, so let me show you what I mean. So, you can't make an account in Scratch 3.0 yet because it's coming soon. And you can't save things to a file in here because they're on it, they're working on it. And the backpack's not quite ready yet either. But it's going to be ready soon. Now, if you're at home and you're giving this a try, you're not sure where to start, you can click on tutorials at the top, and there's so many things. They have a whole getting started video. You can learn how to make music. You can add a backdrop, add a sprite. There's so many options, and these videos are great, so you should definitely try them out. So I would like to show you how to make a quick project. And the first thing I want to show you is how to get rid of this scratch cat. So if you have a sprite you don't want, you just find it at the bottom and you can click the X box and the sprite will go away. To get a new sprite, you need to click on the little scratch cat down here and it will take you to all of the sprites. I want an egg sprite, so I'm going to click egg and there it is. And when I put my mouse pointer over it, I can see that it has lots of cool costumes. Woohoo! So I'm going to click on it, and there's my egg. I want it to be a little bit bigger, so I'm going to go to size down here and make it 150, and hit enter. Oh, that's way better. It's a little bit bigger, but not too big. Now, I also want an elephant, so I'm going to click on there, and I'm going to scroll down and find elephant. Oh, there it is. Oh, that has costumes also. Alright, so I have my elephant and my egg, and what I want to have happen is if the elephant touches the egg, I want the egg to crack. So in order for me to do that, I need the elephant to move around, so I want him to follow my mouse pointer. So let's see, I'm on the elephant, and I need an event to get everything started. So I'm going to just pick when green flag clicked. That's this little green flag up here. It's like a play button. And I want him to move around and follow the pointer. So I have to go to motion. And it says, go to, let me double check. Oh yes, this is what I want. Go to mouse pointer. Alright, I'm going to see how that works. Okay, wait. He followed my mouse pointer once. But, I want him to do it the whole time. I want him to do it forever. So maybe I'm missing a block. Maybe it only does it one time he goes to the mouse pointer. So I need to control him a little better. And, a forever block. That means it'll happen forever. Okay. So, oh yeah, now it's working. Now the elephant is following my pointer. Good. So got the elephant finished up. I hit the stop sign. Now I need to work on my egg. So I have to start off with the event, and I still want it to be when green flag clicked. And let's see. So it was its looks that changed, I think, right? Because it's the costumes? Yeah. So I go to switch costume. Oh, but I need to say when I want the costume to switch. So I'm going to go to control, and I have if, and it's when it's touching the elephant, so he has to sense that. So I'm going to get this block here. So if touching mouse pointer isn't right, I need elephant. There we go. Switch costume to egg. Okay, so let's give that a try. With the green flag, and the elephant touches the egg. Uh-oh, nothing's happening. I don't know. I wonder if I put a wait block in, if that will help. Maybe it's happening so fast I can't see it. I'm gonna put a wait 1 second block in. When I hit the green flag, oh, it's still not working. I'm gonna take that and put it on the side. And the elephant, I used a forever block. Maybe that's what I need for the egg. Let's see. Maybe I need to tell it to change forever. Okay, here we go. It's still not working. I wonder what's happening. Oh my gosh, I know what I did. I forgot. I forgot to change the costume. Look, I have switched to costume egg A, but I think this is costume egg A. Oh my goodness. Let's go to costumes. And, oh, here's the cracked egg, egg D. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the code. I'm gonna change this to egg D. And now I think it's going to work. Yes! Haha, victory! Oh, but I don't want him to stay cracked. I want him to go back together again. So, let's see. I want to go to looks, and I want the costume to switch back to egg A, but I think I want it to wait for a second. So let's see if that works. Oh, let's see. Here we go. Ah, perfect. So elephant touches the egg. He goes back to being a full egg. Perfect. You know what? I feel like some things are missing. I feel like we need a sound. Like, I think the egg should make a sound when it gets cracked. So I'm gonna go to sounds, the sounds tab. I'm gonna get rid of that pop. I'll go down here to choose a sound. Oh, that's loud. Whoa, so many sounds. Earlier I heard a clang sound that was pretty cool. Where is it? There we go, clang. Yeah, it's not too loud. It's not too obnoxious, so I think I'm going to use that one. So I'm going to go to sounds, play sound clang until done, and I'm going to add that to my if block. Alright, let's give this a try. But now, oh, there we go. Now it's taking a really long time for my egg to crack. Maybe I should try some of the different sounds. So there's start sound clang. Let's see what happens when I use that one. Oh, that's better. The timing's so much better on that one. Perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna toss that. And there's one more thing. I would like to have a backdrop. So next to the sprite, we have our backdrop or stage. And I think I want my elephant and egg to be in outer space. Ooh, so many choices. I'm gonna pick this space one. Ooh, I like it. Okay, so now I have my elephant and my egg in space. And whenever my elephant hits the egg, we get this wonderful clang sound and the egg cracks open. Ta-da!